This video provides an overview of the electrical specifications and how to successfully install and interface to the Lepton microthermal camera module. The Lepton must be connected to the Molex socket. The interfaces are shown here. Lepton has SPIs, GPIOs, 3 different power supplies, a mandatory master clock, as well as active low, power down, and reset pins, which are used for cycling power. Power consumption is relatively low, with peaks during the flat field correction or FFC event. The power draw results from the mechanical shutter activating. This happens every 1 to 2 minutes. 3 separate power supplies power different segments of the camera module. Integrators generally use V-Sync to ensure synchronized SPI interactions with the system running the Lepton. This helps maintain steady video by preventing dropped frames. The master clock runs the ASIC at 25 MHz and must be consistent to ensure proper operation of the camera electronics. Please see the engineering data sheet for additional detailed information. Schematics, BRD, and DSN files are also available upon request. Contact support through FLIR.custhelp.com for clarifications. There are some common issues to keep in mind. Drop frames can affect video, so again, we highly recommend V-Sync for reliability. To supply an adequate signal for the Lepton onboard ASIC, please be sure to select a powerful enough oscillator. The Lepton requires a dedicated SPI bus that cannot be shared among multiple devices. It's also advisable to give it its own I2C bus. Sometimes processors struggle with streaming Lepton video, so an MCU is recommended to help with frame grabs. The required Molex socket pinout is shown here. It's important to orient the camera properly. The 3 shutter tabs are shown in medium gray. This simple schematic on the right and additional development board schematics are available upon request. The required currents and voltages for Lepton power supplies are shown here. The maximums are measured at the camera module's maximum operating temperature, 65 degrees Celsius. Higher temperatures will cause Lepton to draw considerably more current. 3 clocks interface with the Lepton. The master clock runs the ASIC. The SPI clock runs video. The I2C clock runs the communication interface for the Lepton. For further questions or support, please go to FLIR.custhelp.com to connect with our support agents as well as our applications engineers. Additional integration resources can be found at FLIR.com/Lepton integration. Thank you for your time.